Okay, so in the previous video we talked about how to do this one, but then how can we represent these as decimal numbers, right? So this is in binary. I'll also show you how to do it in hexadecimal. So this is, should we even say to binary, right? Okay, so binary. Now to do this, what we have to do is, for this one 19, so I have to separate it into two parts. So you separate it into the whole number part and then the decimal part. So for the whole number part, all we say is that, okay, 19, divide that by 2. How many times does it go into there? It goes 19 divided by 2, this is 9 times, remainder. So this is 9 times, remainder 1, right? Then we have that 9 divided by, so we have this 9, divide that by 2, which then gives us, how many times we get 4, remainder 1, right? Then we have it as, this is going to be 4 divided by 2, this is going to be 2, remainder 0, right? Then we have 2 divided by 2, which is 1, remainder 0, right? Then we have that 1 there, divide that by 2, which is then going to give us 0. And just move this over here, remainder 1. And then we read that in the opposite direction. So we read it going upwards. So our 19, of course, as we know, is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So we've converted our 19. But how do we then convert our 0.75? Well, we do something similar in that for these guys we multiply. So we're going to have 0.75 times 2. What's the answer here? So 0.75 times 2, this is going to give us 1.5, right? So what we do is that we get this one, so we keep this one that we have over here. Then we have, okay, 0.5. What is our 0.5 times 2? This is just 1, and we have a 0 there, right? We just our 1, and then we have a 0 over there. And then we're going to say 0 times 0, which is just 0. Then we read this downwards. So we have 0.11. This is how we represent our 25. So this is basically 10011.11. So read this one upwards, read this one downwards, and always remember to say when you multiply by 2, get this guy over here, and then get the whole number part and then multiply by the decimal part again. So this is how we represent our 19.75 in binary. So next few parts we're going to do these.